mirroring. What is mirroring? Does it mean if they're sitting sideways and they've got their legs crossed or their hand back here that I mirror their body language? No, okay? That's garbage, right? It's silliness, right? My knees are pointing that direction, and if my knees are pointing north and south and their knees are pointing east and west, I'm gonna get the deal. It's stupid, guys. It's stupid parlor games. It does not work. What is mirroring? Mirroring is repeating back the last 1 to 3 words that somebody said, or a select set of 1 to 3 words that they said. Now, when you repeat back, like if they say, hey, you know, we don't need any marketing. You don't need any marketing. That's not gonna get you the deal. The goal of mirroring is to get that person to talk more, okay? So repeat back what they said, and I want you to put a slight, almost question mark on what you're saying. And if you're on the phone, this is super easy because you can leverage the technology. Almost, it's a subconscious, almost plausible that you didn't hear them properly. So when somebody goes, hey, we don't need any marketing. You don't need marketing? Yeah, I mean, we've tried several campaigns. We did the newsletter thing. We ran the meta stuff, and you know, it's not for us. It just doesn't seem to work for us. Okay? You see the goal there, right? If somebody goes, we don't need marketing, traditional sales coaching is like, but yes, you do. And if I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to show you how our newsletter can bring you lots of leads. And they're like, thanks, see you later, bye, call me later, take me off your list, all of that stuff, right? But hey, we don't need any marketing. You don't need marketing? Yeah, you know, it hasn't worked, right? So that's the first one, mirror somebody. This is too expensive, I can't afford it. You can't afford it? The goal here is to get them to talk more. In sales, where we screw things up, guys, is we think, especially when it's negative stuff coming our way, that like, we want to get off of that topic. If it's negative stuff coming your way, that's exactly where I want to be. Because we have to talk through that, right? We have to handle or address that in order to get the deal. So I want to keep them talking. So mirroring is the first of the 3 tips that I'm going to give you when somebody is saying something. Whether it's positive, whether it's negative, get them to talk more. How can you practice this? Okay, I go to hang out with people that my wife hangs out with. All right, my wife's a model, and she's into Pilates and anything freaking red light therapy. If you want to see some pills, come and visit the pantry at my house. I got a whole freaking pill supply store. I don't know anything about any of that stuff, right? But when I talk to people that are friends with my wife, all of them, and she hates this for me, come up to her and they're like, man, how do I find a Matt? Matt's the best guy. We became best friends. I just didn't do any of the talking. Right? Oh man, I really love Pilates. You really love Pilates? Yeah, I was doing the CrossFit thing before, and it was hurting my back and hurting my knees, and you know, I just really found with Pilates, I just have a certain energy after class. An energy? Yeah, you get the Pilates shake going on, and it's like, I can do it all day. And at the end of that conversation, the person's like, man, Matt really listens to me. Matt made a connection with me. Matt really gets it. Can you introduce Matt to my husband? Because my husband doesn't understand how the red lights are simply changing the world. All I'm doing is just repeating back what they said. And in their head, they're giving me more information. And the more they talk, the better the conversation is. Okay? So that's tip number 1.